Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of my Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is a great song from the 70s. In fact, one of my favorite songs called Can't You See. It was written by a gentleman named Toy Caldwell from the Marshall Tucker Band. Now, Can't You See only peaked at number 75 on the Billboard Hot 100 in 1977. And that in itself is a terrible crime because this is a great song. Even though it wasn't a number one hit, that certainly hasn't stopped some big names in music from covering it. Names like Kid Rock, Poison, and more recently the Zac Brown Band did a cover of this song. So, we're going to perform the song first, then we're going to review the chords and the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great Southern rock song from the 70s, stick around. We're going to get started right now.
Gonna take a freight train down at the station. I don't care where it goes. Gonna climb me a mountain, highest mountain. Jump off, nobody gonna know. Can't you see? Oh, can't you see what that woman been doing to me? Can't you see? Oh, can't you see what that woman's been doing to me? Gonna find me a hole in the wall. Gonna crawl inside and die. 'Cause my lady now, mean a woman, Lord, never told me goodbye. Can't you see? Whoa, can't you see what that woman, Lord, been doing to me? Can't you see? Whoa, can't you see what that woman been doing to me? Gonna buy me a ticket now, as far as I can. I ain't never coming back. Ride me a southbound all the way to Georgia now, till the train run out of track. Can't you see? Whoa, she's been doing to me. Can't you see? Oh, can't you see what that woman been doing to me? Can't you see? Oh, can't you see what that woman Lord been doing to me? Can't you see? Oh, can't you see what that woman Lord been doing to me?
Okay, let's look at the chords that you're going to need to know to get through this song from start to finish. There are only 3 of them, and they're all very, very easy. Let's have a closer look now. First chord is a D. You're going to need to know a C add 9. And lastly, a G major. That's it. Those 3 chords are going to get you all the way through this song. Let's take a few minutes now and have a look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming. Okay, the original version by the Marshall Tucker Band has this great intro where they're sort of doing this arpeggio style picking. I incorporate something similar in my version, although for the record, it's not exactly the same as theirs, and it's a much more simplified way. With that said, for the purposes of my tutorial today, we're only going to show you how to strum the chords and how to play them. If at a later time you actually want to do your own version of an intro, then by all means do it, add it in. The best part about this song is that both the verses and the choruses are played the exact same way. So with that said, let's start. Let's have a closer look. The song basically starts on the D chord. Here we go. Gonna take a freight train down to the station. I don't care where it goes. Gonna climb me a mountain, highest mountain. Jump off, nobody gonna know. Can't you see? Whoa, can't you see what that woman, she's been doing to me? Can't you see? Whoa, can't you see what that woman, Lord, been doing to me? And that's it in a nutshell. Very, very easy to play. Again, the chorus and the verses are the same. You strum it the same all the way through the song. Very, very easy to play. There you have it. Can't you see? A song by the Marshall Tucker Band. My name is Troy Hawes. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of my Acoustic Lounge. I do truly, truly appreciate the support. So if you like my videos, please consider subscribing. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.